Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I am Harshal Vora and you're watching the live video where I try to figure out how to code in JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So, well, there's also a lot of speculation whether JavaScript, whether HTML is a language or not, a programming language. But yeah, I'm not going to put those rumors to bed or any. It's not. I'm not going to dispute any of the facts. Let's begin and let's see what we were up to last time. Now, in the previous live video, I accidentally fell asleep for 2 hours. Really, it was very embarrassing for me. But yeah, now that we are live, let's see what we were up to the last time. Okay, give me a second, please. I need to look over a few things in my live video, but I'll share my screen with you anyway, so you guys can also take a look of what I'm working on. Okay, go back to the main screen. Yup, cool. Now I'm going to resize this app. Oh, I can see we have 2 likes. Someone came and went, no problem, we'll wait for them. Now I'm trying to see at what quality this. Okay, so we're streaming at 360p. I would like to find out. This is all okay. Of course, spoken essays. That's me. And I just want to know at what quality you guys can check my videos out. Okay, so that's the quality you guys see it in. And because I'm streaming right now, you guys see it this way, do you? Okay, not a problem. Cool. 1080p at 60 fps. Cool. Anyway, I found out what I wanted to look at. Let's also go live on Facebook. And it says live video is starting and live video is now connected. Cool. Okay, so now let's see what we were up to the last time. I think we were stuck with tooltips. Command Shift T and close this window. Function F to go full screen. Yup, that's the one. Cool. Let me refresh this page, save and refresh and refresh. Okay, so when I hover over a county, it should tell me the name of the county and the name of the state and its educational attainment. In our case, we've only written the format, but not the name of the county or name of the state. So we need to get to that data first. How do we get it? Where do we get it from? So I need to understand in this tooltip. Though the tooltip is okay, we need to take care of, not even this really. We need to take care of these properties. Sorry, not even date education. We need to take care of county name and state name. So I can see I've in the console I've logged some data. Let's see what that is. It returns object data with a type and its coordinates and its ID and its properties. Now properties are empty. That's what we are trying to get. Trying to get the name of the state here, the county really. This is the one that gets it. The state message is the internal borders between states everything but the coastline. This avoids an additional stroke on the perimeter of the map, which would otherwise may mask intricate features such as islands and inlets. Try removing the last argument of to top adjacent measure. Okay, to see the effect. Okay, let's topo JSON. Last argument, they said. They mean this. Wait, sorry. This is the last argument. If I remove this, what happens to the array? I mean to the map. I don't see any change. Maybe I should now. I don't know. What am I missing? This curve maybe? That curve still intact? I don't know. But it's supposed to work this way, so let's not, touch it. It's already 10. It's 10 in the morning and I'm already yawning. It's not even been 10 minutes. If I yawn 2 more times, I'm going to get some coffee to stay awake and not, fall asleep. Yeah. Okay. But coming back. So I need to map data to data 1 maybe. Or maybe we can use state map or states. I can use counties, can't I? What does counties store? Console. Nothing yet. So instead of this, what if I ask it to return counties themselves? Okay, it would return a feature collection with no items. Okay, it returns an array with 3142 values. And I can't open any of them. Okay, let's open the last one. Maybe I can, but it does not, because it's printing that 3041 20 times. Yeah. It's just being printed. You know what? Yeah, instead of that, then let's move that outside. I'll just put that for now. In here maybe. That's mouse over event. Okay. Right, you went away. That became that. Ding ding ding. Come on, I have to scroll down so much. Okay, that's the console.log. Okay. What's the log say? I should get the last one. It says features, and this array contains feature and properties, and properties is empty. Okay. Let's move this. It's okay, we can keep it here. We can do one thing. I'll keep it close to what we are working on. That should not. It does cause problems. Now it won't. Just show me in the console. It says type error cannot read properties of undefined reading attr. Yeah, I get it. It needs to be outside. Cool. Bus. Okay, it returns feature collection with features and type. In features we have an array of 3142 values with the ID and the properties. What's the property look like? It returns properties and properties object. Yowza. So I shouldn't just write counties. Huh. That's the second yawn. Geometry ID properties. That does not tell us. Okay. So instead of counties now, county data. County name is DDD right now, which makes no sense whatsoever. For now, we'll just put an empty string. Okay. We'll only put an empty string. We need the name of the county and the name of the state. If I can't get the county first, let's get the state then. data1.objects.states. Hey, the same way can I get? Just a second, I have a phone call. Anyway, where were we? Sorry about that. Who do we have? 3 likes. No one's watching. Ouch. Anyway, so we're trying to get that right. क्या करेंगे? Right. I try to do this, right? So what does that return? It returns a geometry collection. Very good. Geometries with multi-polygon arcs and this and that type. What does arcs show? Returns the arcs. That's okay. Not you then. but it returned this. When I wrote objects.states, it returned a geometry collection of these values. Okay. Yeah. Objects.keys. If I do this, I need to charge this, don't I? I was live for an entire night, really. Hello. Interesting. It got scared. Okay. Type error data.1 objects.states.keys. Yeah. But this does not return an array of what we were thinking. It returns an array with 51 geometries. Not many. Okay, so that tells me 51 states with ID as this. Okay, so we are getting the 51 states. That means why am I not getting the name of the state then? What if I just write objects? It would return a list of counties and their geometries. Yeah. If I'm copying that data, shouldn't I just use state map? No, state mesh is. If I write counties here, what does it return? I think I tried checking that first. It returns that feature collection with features and their IDs, but not the name of the county. How about states? What does that return? Let's at least get a name of the state. Or it's, wait a minute, it's not states. Or I think it is. It's called something else. To find out what that something else is, if I write data 0, let's look at that. Should 3142, right? We have the state name and the area name. It should match the FIPS or FIPs. So what do I write to get into one of these? Maybe it's an array of objects, as you can see here. What's the prototype? It's called array 0. Very good. So data 0, if I write 0 here, would it return the value that we are looking for, or would it return undefined? It returns the first object. Good. So with data 00 saved here? It's not. We haven't saved it anywhere as that, have we? We have mapped the data, but we haven't done that. Oh yeah, we could map this data to return the name of the state and its yeah. Yeah, we can do that. Maybe not a new map object, but definitely this, then area underscore name. So let's map that data instead. Okay, I'm going to create a new variable here. Constant, what will we call it? Tooltip data stores what? So it takes data 0 dot map, where you take each item in the data and you create an array where it says d dot chill bhai. It would go through each data and it would return d dot state कहाँ गया, and d dot area underscore name. Can we get something like that? Can we? I have no clue whether we can. So we go back to the console and ask it to return this instead. Tooltip data, a variable. It returns an array with two values. Let's look at the first array. It returns al comma space Ottawa county. If I were to create it as an object, then it would return that. Oh yeah, we should. I must. Yeah, I just thought of something. I'll show you guys what I'm thinking of. I'll cover this and I'll write new map object. So it returns now a map object with AL Winston County, Yukon census area, Yuma County and whatnot. Cool. Now I'm going to do a few more things. Instead of mapping this, what if I write d.id, are you id or a fips? Here your fips comma space state plus space this. We can put a comma then. State and area name should come first. X, remove, paste, name of the county, comma, space, bracket, yeah. This may or may not work, I have no clue. Let's just, yeah. Okay, that is the last console value. Let's see what it looks like. It returns 1001 and Ottawa County AL. Very good. That's what I wanted to see. Now I can reuse this to my benefit. I can use that get d.i value here. So we go to county name. Oh, now we don't need any, we only need one. Tool data. Now we write a callback function which would apply to each value, where we write tooltip data dot get d.id. Nice. That should get us what we are looking for. Give us what we are looking for. Oh, I should also have tested. It says null. Yeah, it's not done yet. When we hover over it, it says null. Should do something about that. Null 36.3%. Null comma space null. So this is not quite there yet. What's that look like? It returns a map object with these values, 3142 values. It would have the ID and its value. When we write get d.id, it would return, what do you return? Let's see. Console.log. In the end we will see a map. Okay, we see Rowan County NC and Auburn East County and whatnot. Right, I did this but I forgot to do that. Yowza. Okay, sorry about that. I have to change this to in mouse over event instead of putting these values. Yep, you can go this dot get attribute tooltip data tooltip. Now in here, instead of county name, if I just put that, we will get what we are looking for. Now if I hover over these elements, where is the error? There is no data. There is data edu. What are you talking about? Oh, E. I can't write tooltip underscore data then. Plus it's a variable. Yeah, sorry about that. E. Cool. Now it shall work. It will work. Motley County, Texas, CO. Now I don't know if they match or not. So one way we can find out is if I take the tip. What does it say? Abe, fine. Let's take this island. It says Hawaii County HI 25.9%. Let's look at you. It says Hawaii County HI 25.9%. Very good. So we are good. Now it should Abe. It still says 11 out of 12 pass. That means it cannot find data education in tooltip. Acha. क्यों रे? My tooltip should have a data education property that corresponds to the अच्छा उसको property भी देनी पड़ेगी अच्छा. Okay. So instead of data here we make this education. Cool. Done. Nice. Saved. Open this in a new tab to look at the full map. Okay, that's what it looks like. We've passed all the tests. I can paste it here. Nice. A sigh of relief. And we have one more project to go. We might use this in the next project or we might not. I don't know. I'll keep it with me anyway. I did like that legend function call. This is quite useful. I should link that. I will link that in the live video so you guys can check it out for yourselves too. Nicely done. And in the Facebook comment section as well. Yep. Okay, we're all kinds of stubborn. Okay. Chloropleth map. Okay, इसको भी बंद करो. Yep. Next we are supposed to create tree map. Woo! Nice. We're going to build a tree map. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Someone messed up here. So this is what we are supposed to build. Okay. That is so cool. Plus we have Wii Sports. Top 100 most sold video games grouped by platform. Gran Turismo is a game apparently. Final Fantasy 6 is a game. Call of Duty, yes. There should be a CS2. There should be CS here. Counter-Strike somewhere. It has been played a lot, but it may not have been sold a lot. Maybe it's for free, I don't know. Gran Turismo has been used. Pokemon has been played a lot, I'm sure people had those Nintendo DS things. Well, I didn't have one, but I know what that is. This thing, a lot of people used to play on this thing, Nintendo DS. It was amazing, really. Now we have a much better version, a Nintendo Switch. Although I don't play any games or anything like that, but yeah, this is the next generation where you can switch it up and play it on a TV or on your computer. Very cool. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to I feel like yawning. Yeah, that's the third one. Yeah, I'm going to get some coffee made, and when I come back we will be going through all of this project and see what we are going to do about this. Okay, so let's see what happens. Now we have 5 viewers. Amazing. I'll be right back, and I'll get some coffee, and I'll be back. Thank you. we should soon be able to connect. Sorry about that. It's lights out at my place, that's why nothing's happening. Okay, now we have excellent connection, very good, nice. So I think this should be back up in a couple of seconds. I'll wait for a few minutes. Why don't you guys connection was restored with on this, so that's cool. Yeah, I have a phone call, just a second.